Yeah, because there's people coming here for services today, and they don't necessarily feel comfortable with filming going on.
What do you mean? My services are not services?
Well, I'm sorry, but we'd like to know who you are, what you're doing, what's going on today.
Well, you have to. Everybody in there, you know who they are and what they're doing and what's going on. That's
Hey,
embarrassing.
here.
That's embarrassing,
Yeah,
right?
there's two gentlemen out here. They're not being respectful, and they're filming with cameras outside of the church.
Respectful, we were.
All right, action. Let's record it then.
I'm standing with them right now. We're outside the door.
He's standing with them. There's no threat or nothing. He's just calling the cops on us.
No,
He's standing with us right now.
Okay, thank you.
Right? There's no worries. He's just standing with us right now. It's like
you read off the tablet now instead of the book.
the cops don't just come out automatically like that, man. That was the fakest call ever. They didn't even ask him for his phone number or nothing. Is that down?
That's him.
They didn't ask him for a phone number, his name, or nothing. He just, yeah, there's two gentlemen out here. Okay, thank you.
That was Father Charles.
That was the fakest call ever,
Father
man.
Peter Rogers.
Peter. That's what it is. Father Peter. He's in charge here. Well, we didn't speak to a Father Peter, right? But we spoke to Father.
Yeah, Father told us go ahead and do our scene.
Oh my God! You got the wrong contract.
This is not it? Yeah, that was the picture right there with the door, the frame over it.
Is it?
That's the shot.
All right. Okay,
that was the shot, dude.
What angle are we at?
Oh wait.
Okay, yeah. Angle
no, that's not it.
No?
This was tomorrow.
No, wait.
Are you guys open tomorrow?
So
at 9 p.m. You guys open at 9 p.m. because we were gonna get a shot here tomorrow at 9 p.m. right?
Well, this is the person you can speak to if you'd like to take any more shots on any day.
Oh, I need permission?
Yes.
Is this the 100-year-old Sentinel?
What's going on here?
Is that on? Yeah. Turn it gonna be on. Take that off. Well, you turn it off then.
What's the matter with
Turn
you?
it off. Turn it off.
Dang.
Turn it off.
What's up with that?
Come on, we're just gonna.
Yeah, go inside. What's wrong with you? Trying to put hands on people. Is that who you are, Mr. Hansy?
What's wrong with you?
Sick ass individual, huh?
Yeah, tries to grab me. What's wrong with you?
Do you grab everybody in there? What's going on?
You start with violence?
Yeah, you just grab everybody and usher them to their seat or what?
God.
That didn't make any sense at all.
Jeez, did you see the anger in his eyes? What the hell's going on?
Father Hansy or what? Is that what you guys call him?
Did you see that?
Does he put hands on you, sir?
You're a witness to that.
Who else does he put hands on?
Whoa, this guy.
Sick. Damn. Father Hansy right there. Huh?
Ruthless, Vato.
Yeah, dude. He wanted you. Yeah. Oh, you're not gonna. Boom, boom, boom. Starts grabbing you right away. Is that down?
Oh, yeah, got that 360 on that one. Dude, what's up with that dude just coming out like that? What's wrong with him?
You got the 360?
Yeah.
Me too.